In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ElevenLabs to N8n 2025 integration guide. We'll start inside your N8n instance and build a simple workflow that turns text into audio using the official ElevenLabs integration. Have your ElevenLabs API key ready and remember to keep it private. N8n's credential manager will store it securely for you. Begin by creating a fresh workflow. Click New Workflow and give it a clear name so you can find it later. Something like ElevenLabs TTS Demo. Naming conventions matter when your workspace grows, so choose something descriptive. Next, add the ElevenLabs node. Click the plus button in the node panel, search for ElevenLabs and place it on the canvas. This node is part of N8n's official integration, which means you get reliable, up-to-date endpoints without needing custom HTTP requests. Open the node and set up your credentials. In the credentials section, create new credentials and paste your ElevenLabs API key. Give the credential a sensible name you'll recognize later, such as ElevenLabs API. Avoid pasting keys into notes or fields outside the credential manager and never share them in screenshots or screen recordings. Once saved, the node will use the secure connection for all actions. Now choose what you want the node to do. For most use cases, select text-to-speech to convert text into audio. You can also use get voices to list the voices available to your account, or clone or create voices if your plan permits it. Fill in the required fields, pick or paste a voice ID, and provide the text you want to convert. If you're testing, start with a short sentence so you can iterate quickly. Optional parameters like style and speed let you fine-tune delivery, great for matching a brand tone or pacing. If you don't know your voice ID, run get voices first to see what's available and copy the one you like. Connect how the workflow starts and where the audio goes. Add a trigger such as a webhook or a schedule, then connect it to the ElevenLabs node. After that, add whatever comes next, saving the audio file, sending it along, or storing metadata. A simple example looks like webhook to ElevenLabs TTS to save to drive. Finally, save your work and test. Click Save, trigger the workflow, and review the results. Check the execution for your audio output, webhook response, and logs. If something fails, verify the voice ID, make sure text is provided, and confirm the credential is correct. Adjust style or speed if the delivery isn't quite right. That's it. You've connected ElevenLabs to N8n and built a clean, testable pipeline for voice generation.